Magic in Weird Places here at GameStop, and I just picked up my pre-order for the Codex bundle. So I'm gonna go home. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's in it. Just got back from GameStop. I got the Codex bundle. So let's see what it's like quality-wise. What comes in it? Okay, got it out of its wrapping. So here it is. Looks cool, looks like a book. Got that, shiny. I gotta do that finger thing people do. Oh yeah. So, it comes with 6 14 Secrets of Strixhaven play boosters, 2 15-card Secrets of Strixhaven collector boosters, and a 2 of 6 promo cards, 20 traditional foil basic lands, and a special oversized Codex bundle spin down life counters. So let's take a look. So far, boxing, really pretty, really shiny, really smooth. So let's see what's in it. So looks like a book still. That's like moves. Oh ho ho! Here we go. So this is everything it comes with. So it comes with a little book page. So I'll show that here. If you want to read it, you can pause it. So it's Codex Vorfication. The wrapping itself seems really nice. Let's see what our promo cards are. Okay, so we got Talesman of Curiosity, beautiful foiling. And then we got Talesman of Creativity, which is the one I wanted because I'm trying to build this deck right now. I'm trying to build a Strixhaven deck. So, we got the 6 play boosters. Now for the dice. Focus on that. Ooh, that is gorgeous. It's plastic, not metal or nothing like that, but still very cool. So then we got one more normal play booster, and then we got the 2 collector packs. And then we got the 20 traditional foil land